Hey singers, recently I discussed the benefits of vocal twang and how it just really presents in many top artists' voices. And in that video, I briefly mentioned Carrie Underwood and Adam Levine. So I thought it would be great today to talk specifically about Adam Levine and how he uses twang in his voice. But before we get started, I just wanted to say welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is so good to have you here. And I just wanted to give a big shout out to our new subscribers, and I just wanted to say thank you for supporting the channel, really supporting what we do over here. And with that being said, let's get started. So while many artists incorporate twang into their vocal arsenal, few exemplify its usage quite like Maroon 5's frontman Adam Levine. Now Adam's voice is so undeniably distinctive, and when you hear his high-pitched clear notes just really cutting through, you instantly recognize it is him. You recognize his voice, and one of the reasons he's able to achieve just such a unique sound is because of twang. So let's dive deeper into how Adam Levine really employs twang into his singing voice. So number one is his distinctive edge. Now Levine uses twang to give his voice that bright, almost edgy resonance, and this is particularly noticeable in his higher registers. So tracks like Moves Like Jagger and Sugar are just perfect examples of where he uses twang to add both intensity and clarity. Number two is power without strain. Now one of the strengths of twang is that it allows singers to produce really powerful high notes without the excessive strain. Now Levine often leverages this, belting out high notes with that forward-focused placement and that forward-focused resonance, and this really just allows him to hit those notes consistently during live performances. Number three is piercing through the mix. Now Maroon 5's tracks often feature dense instrumentation, and twang ensures Levine's voice doesn't get drowned out, but instead really pierces through, sitting comfortably on top of the mix, and it ensures his voice just remains the vocal point regardless of the backing arrangement. So our last one, number four, is stylistic versatility. Now while twang is a prominent feature in Levine's vocal style, he knows when to dial it back. So in more mellow tracks or certain sections of songs, he might use more of a softer or more rounded tone, and then he'll bring back the twang again when it gets to the choruses or the climax for heightened effect. But he knows when to dial it back, which is great. So if you're looking to add some of that Levine style twang in your singing, then you have to practice with care, and really just knowing how to use it can really boost your vocal skills. Now remember, twang is it's a tool, it's not an entire toolkit, but using it when necessary is just really going to elevate your singing game. I know 100%. But if you do want to dive in a little bit deeper and build twang into your singing voice, then you can find the full workout on my Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. It's free to download, and I have a whole bunch of training videos, challenges, and vocal workouts on my app. So download that now. And if this video resonated with you, give it the thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more singing exercises and more tips. And I would just appreciate your support with the channel. That is it from me. I will see you soon. Peace.